Okay, so this is question number 2. So let's go over how to solve number 2. Let's make a few notes first before we start. Let's begin here with symbol. The symbol, always you have to use the atomic number to find the symbol, or you can use the number of proton, atomic number or proton. Z is the atomic number, A, it's the mass number, and then you have proton, neutron, electron, and charge. Now, the neutron we find it by doing mass number minus atomic number. Okay? And just so we know, the atomic number and the proton, always these two numbers, they're going to be the same. Okay, the atomic number and the number of proton. So if I see this is 8, I know this will also be 8. If I see this is 20, I know this is also 20. If I see this is 7, I know this will be 7. And if I see this is 9, I know this will be 9. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to tell you. The atomic number, it's the same as the proton. Okay, so that makes that easy. Okay, then let's do the symbol next. The symbol is the atomic number. So I see the atomic number here, it's 8. All right, so 8, I need to go to the periodic table. So let's go down to the periodic table here. And I need to see 8 is for which element? Do you see 8, atomic number 8? There it is. Okay, so if the atomic number is 8, here, do you see that, 8? So which element is it? It's oxygen. So you're always going to be looking at the small number. So this is the atomic number. It's the small number, okay? Don't ever look at that big number. It's the small number. So now let's go back up. So 8 is which element? Oxygen. So I can just put O. Okay? Now, let's do the mass number. Mass number, it's proton plus neutron. So here's the proton, it's 8, the neutron, it's 9. So that's 17. Proton plus neutron. Okay? Now, electron, let's do electron. Electron, proton is supposed to be the same like the electron. If the atom is neutral, if neutral. Okay, so you can see here it has no charge. So no charge, it means neutral. So if it has no charge, the proton and the electron, they should be the same. So if the proton is 8, how many electrons do we have? It should also be 8, okay? They should be the same. So proton, electron, 8 and 8. This should be the same if the atom is neutral. All right, let's move on to the next one. 20. I want to go down, I want to see 20 is which element, okay? I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to look for 20. There it is. Do you see 20? Here it is. Which element has atomic number 20? It is Ca. Ca is calcium. I'm having trouble scrolling. Okay, so I'm going to put here Ca, it's calcium. All right, now let's do the mass number. We said mass number was proton plus neutron. So how many proton? 20. How many neutron? 22. So the mass number is 44. Proton plus neutron. Okay, now let's do the electron. Now we said the electron and the proton, they are the same. Sorry. The electron and the proton, they are the same if the atom is neutral. But this atom is not neutral. This atom has a positive 2 charge. This is very important. If it has a positive 2 charge, it means you must lose 2 electrons. So I'm supposed to have 20 electrons because they're supposed to be the same, but I don't have 20. I lose 2, so I have 18. All right, next one, 7. Nitrogen atomic number. Who has atomic number of 7? So go to the periodic table and see who has atomic number 7. It's N, nitrogen. So I'm going to put here N. Okay? Electron. Remember, proton and electron, they should be the same. But actually, it's not the same in this case because we have -3 charge. So -3, it means add 3 electron. It's the opposite. So it's 10. Okay, and how to find neutron? Neutron is mass number minus atomic number. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, next one. N, you want to see who has 9 Let's look. Who has 9? It's F, fluorine. Fluorine has 9, so we're going to write here. Oops, did I move things the wrong way? Okay, this is fluorine. Okay, and they want the neutron. So the neutron is the mass number minus the atomic number. So 19 minus 9 is 10. And now they want the charge. So let's see. Let's look at the number of proton. We have 9 positives. And how much negatives? 10 negatives. So I have 9 positives and 10 negatives. So what's the charge? I have more negative, so it's -1. Plus 9 minus 10 is -1. That's question 2.